Welcome to the video about the boAt Stone 352 Pro and Stone 358 Pro Bluetooth speakers. Get ready to experience powerful sound and portability. Experience boAt signature sound with 14W output, delivering a captivating audio experience. Enjoy up to 12 hours of non-stop playtime at 60% volume, ensuring your music lasts through your adventures. The vibrant RGB LEDs amplify your portable music, adding an exciting visual element to your listening experience. With an IPX5 rating, the speaker is splash and sweat resistant, making it ideal for outdoor use. Activate TWS mode to connect two speakers together and double the audio power for an immersive soundstage. Benefit from multiple connectivity modes, including BTV 5.3, aux, and TF card. Plus, charging is easy with the Type-C interface. The boAt Stone 352 Pro delivers deep bass and powerful sound in an ultra-portable design. Feel the power of every beat with the 14W boAt signature sound, ensuring rich and clear audio. Light up the party with the dynamic RGB LEDs, amplifying your portable music experience. Enjoy 12 hours of playtime and the confidence of an IPX5 rating for splash and sweat resistance. This model features 10W RMS boAt signature sound, multi-mode connectivity, 12 hours playback, integrated controls, and the TWS feature. Experience a small size with big sound, combining portability and audio performance. Keep the party going for up to 12 hours non-stop, providing the soundtrack for your day. Make your party 2x louder by connecting two speakers at once using the TWS functionality. The IPX7 rating provides a splash and water shield, offering superior water resistance for your speaker. It features smooth integrated controls for volume, play/pause, and power, along with a lightweight cylindrical design for enhanced portability. Experience 14W boAt signature sound with the Stone 352 Pro, designed for enhanced listening for all content. The RGB lights add vibrancy to your audio zone, creating a delightful audio-visual experience for yourself or friends. Enjoy up to 12 hours of playtime, eliminating concerns about low battery alerts during long listening sessions. Use TWS mode to pair two Stone 352 Pro speakers wirelessly for impactful thumping audio at indoor parties. The inbuilt microphone allows for hands-free comfort, making it easy to answer incoming calls on the speaker. Stay connected with multiple options, including wireless Bluetooth version 5.3, TF card, or the aux port. With IPX5 resistance, take your speaker to the gym, beach, or poolside for round-the-clock entertainment. Thank you for watching the video about the boAt Stone 352 Pro Bluetooth speaker.